Let's see how we do the sum product part here in Qlik Sense, okay? You're going to multiply one by the other and then add them up, alright? Well, at first, what you can do is enter the multiplication between the measurements you want in this case and the table. Column 1 times column 2 and then select sum as the total option. The sum function, then you have it here, automatic number. I left it as number here and the totals down here. You can choose sum, alright? The second option is to do an EGGR, with the sum encompassing everything, okay? This also involves the keep AE part, if you want to bring this number here to kepi. For example, so I have here, the grouping, right? What am I going to put? I'm going to put the two functions, one multiplying with the other and use sum in the AGGR. So I want the sum of the results of a virtual table per grouping, which is the count function. Value x the average value. Nickel value times the average value like this. Here I also have as a result the sum product function, right? Which would be the same as the sum product inspection you have in Excel. Alright? I hope that it helped. It was a quick lesson here. I hope it was simple and understandable. So the AGGR is the virtual table that you create. You multiply and then you take the results and put them inside the sum function to get these values. Alright? Guys, I wish you much success and see you in the next video. Thanks.